Today, the Supreme Court, while hearing an SLP filed by the Committee of Management of the Sambhal Masjid, ordered to continue status quo on suit against the Sambhal Masjid until next date of hearing, that is Monday. An SLP was filed by the Committee of Management of the Masjid against the order of the Allahabad High Court, wherein it held that the suit against the Shahi Jama Masjid were not barred by the Places of Worship Special Provisions Act 1991. A bench comprising Justice P.S. Narasimha, Justice Atul S. Chandurkar heard the matter. Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain for the respondents argued that merely because it has been submitted that the Place of Worship Act was attracted, that does not automatically attract the provisions of the Act. While relying on Section 4.3 of the Act, Jain submitted that the masjid was a monument protected under the Archaeological Survey of India. Thus, the Place of Worship Act cannot be applied. Senior Advocate Huzefa Ahmadi for the Management Committee of the Masjid, while referring to the previous order of the Supreme Court, highlighted that the surveys were stayed. Upon which Justice Narasimha said the question arises is whether such a survey is rising by virtue of the Places of the Worship Act or is arising out of the ASI Act. Before we take a call, we are trying to see what the court has held. Justice Narasimha remarked that they have to decide the issue raised by Vishnu Jain as similar issues had arisen earlier. Further, Jain mentioned that another bench of the Supreme Court has dismissed an SLP on the very ground raised by him. Jain again emphasized that the masjid was not covered under the Place of Worship Act as it is a protected monument by the ASI. The court asked Jain to show the said order on the next hearing date.